Techware Systems Private Limited present.
Single axis positioner is a product manufactured by techware Systems Private Limited, and it is used to carry payloads up to 40 kgs, and it rotates in azimuth axis, and it is controlled by a human machine interface, a HMI, and various modes of operation are provided in the HMI. The product is a mill standard product designed to withstand different environmental conditions, harsh conditions, and we have provided a interface for power and communication, and the payload can be mounted on the top up to 40 kg maximum, and the system rotates with an accuracy of 1 degree or better, with a speed variation from 6 rpm to 12 rpm. So right now let me just show you the running of the system. Right now the unit is rotating at 6 rpm, and we also have an inbuilt absolute encoder which will give the angle feedback, and a temperature sensor which will provide the internal temperature. This is shown on the HMI. We have also provided an hour meter to note down the lifetime of the equipment. As the equipment keeps running, the number of hours is recorded. The speed can also be varied to 12 rpm. So as you can see, the speed has increased to 12 rpm, and we have a display here, and there is also status indicators for the motor and the heater, whether it is running on or off. This positioner is designed for a decoy radar, where the radar payload is mounted on top, and it rotates N into 360 continuous rotation, and we have given provision for slip rings. All wires, all signals are routed through the slip ring. Power and communication is routed accordingly. The product is designed for continuous operation up to 24 hours per cycle, and it is designed to work from -20 degrees to +55 degrees Celsius, and IP sealed. IP65 is the rating which we have provided, and we have used sealants at various places. Wherever gaskets are required, we have used it. So we are getting a real-time encoder feedback. And there is an option to switch servo motor off or on as per user requirement. Right now we are using a human machine interface to control the single axis positioner. As you can see, this is a touchscreen based HMI which consists of various parameters. Right now we have set the azimuth speed at 6 rpm, and we are getting the real-time encoder feedback, and we are also getting feedback from the internal temperature sensor, and an hour meter is provided to note down the running time of the equipment. You can see that indicators are provided to monitor the health status of the motor and the heater. Now we are setting it at higher speed of 12 rpm. So we are having a very smooth running due to the usage of servo motor. And the speed can also be varied. Right now we are going back to 6 rpm. You can see that the reading is shown as 6 rpm. switching off the motor again.